Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes blurry fonts, not clear fonts in Windows 10. First method is type clear type in Windows search bar, click adjust clear type. Check turn on clear type, click next. Select best one. Second method is type adjust performance in Windows search bar, click appearance and performance of Windows. Check adjust for best performance, click apply, click OK, restart system. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand control panel, click and expand desktop. Open Windows 8.0 DPI scaling, change value data to 1. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as log pixels. Change value data to 78, close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.